Hello everyone, welcome back to the Algo Daily. In this particular video, we are discussing LeetCode daily challenge, shifting letters to. In this problem, we have given a string S of lowercase English letters, and also we have given 2D integer array shifts. In shifts, we have inside shifts, we have given start index, end index, and direction. Okay. After this, we have to shift the characters in S from the starting index and the index of ending. Okay, both are inclusive, and in direction we have to move forward or backward by using our directions. Okay, and also we have to given shifting a character forward means replacing with a next character or to override into another character. Okay, so now let's look at their example and their solution as well as. So in this problem we have to given a string s, and in this s we have given string, and as well as we have to given a 2D array we have to given, and in this 2D array we have a shifts. Inside shifts we have start in index and direction. Okay, we have three parameters inside shifts, and after this we have to perform operations by inclusively and to and move forward their directions as well as. So now move to their example part, and also we have to use in this problem two concepts. Like first is our range update and point query. Okay, so after this we have to achieve our solution as well as. So we have to given a string, s, and in this string, let this string is abc, and also we have to given a shifts. Okay, in shifts we have 0 1 0 1 2 and 1, sorry, and 0 2 1, and also now achieve this solution. Okay, how we can achieve this solution. Now let this abc by using 0th index 1 and 2. Okay, we have using this. Now first we have 0 1 and 0. This is our starting index, this is our ending index, and this is our direction. Okay, so now this is our starting index. We have starting from 0 to where 1. Okay, 0 to 1 we have iterating. 0 to 1 we have getting here a b as a string, and also now our direction is what we have, our direction 0. So now if our direction is equal to 1 or greater than is equal to 1, then we have operation, then we have operating plus plus operator, and if it is less than 1, then we have using minus minus. So now here in this case we have 0, then we have iterating backward, like a backward is minus minus a is z. Okay, and b minus minus is equal to a. So now our first iteration, this is our first iteration, we have getting z a. So now our string is z a and c. Okay, so now our second shift, what the second shift is 1 and 2. Okay, this is our 0 1 and 2. So now we have iterating starting to ending because of, sorry, this is not our starting, this is our starting. Now starting and ending, and now, and the operation is 1, like 1 is basically to plus plus. Okay, so plus plus is, now we move forward the character into our next character, not backward. We have looking for our forward character. So now the new string we have got here, the first is same, okay, the first character is same, and the second character we have to change is a plus plus is equal to b, and c is equal to c plus plus is equal to d. So now our second iteration is z, b and d, and our last iteration is 0 to 1. We have here 0, 2 and 1. So now we have iterating 0 to 2. This is our 0, 1 and 2. 0th index 1 and 2. Okay. So now we have the operation of 1. It means to plus plus. Okay. This is our Z is become A, B become C, D become E. Okay. So this is our final, this is our final string. Okay. This is our final string. So now we have get our string ACE. So now what approach we have to follow here? We have to follow if the direction of I is equal to 1. Okay, if the direction is equal to 1, then we have to first we have to create a DP array. Okay, because of we have pre-compute our values. After pre-compute we cannot move forward, backward, and we cannot track any operation again and again. And this is the optimized solution we have to achieve by using DP. And DP of start, if one is present, the direction is 1, then we have to DP of start plus plus, and the DP of end plus 1 minus minus. And same thing for our else case. What we have getting, the else case we have to DP of start minus minus, and DP of end plus 1 is plus plus. So this is our base case for iterating one position to another position. So now let's deep dive into their coding part. So this is our code approach. Okay, so now first we have to here so first we have to initialize our DP array for n plus 1 to store the cumulative shifts by value by each positions. Okay, so this is our each position values we have to find here, and after this we have to iterate our, this is our starting and ending and their direction. Okay, this is our 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is our positions, and also we have to use here direction of I is equal to 1 condition we have also discussing there, and in also in the next one second, in the next we have our answer. This is our answer to track the cumulative shifts for the current index. Okay, this is our current index, we have to find the cumulative, and also we have to here a loop for 0 to nth point, and also we have their current and their new position. So basically we have to find their values and so on things like the current of it ensures that to result wrap around their 0 to 25 range, 0 to 25 range, it wrap around their positions, and after this we have to update their new positions. Like here we can update, here we can update. Okay, here we can update, and also we have to keep track in this. Here we also track their cumulative shifts and their current count, and also the current here we have to use 0 to 0 to 25 and their characters. Okay, so now I hope you understand the logic behind this. And so main thing is our base case here. Okay, so this is our main thing, to how we can iterate one position to another position. So now let's deep dive into their time complexity and space complexity as well as. So now here, one second. So now here the time complexity of this is O of 1, and similarly we have here the space complexity is O of n, because of we have defining a DP array here. And after this we have these kind of shifts and all. We have the time complexity of O of m and the space complexity of O of n, because of this O of m is to shift through a loop. Okay, and the last thing we have here, the last thing we have to track, and we have to track and the count and the new position found. Okay, so both these things are performing O of n operation, and the space complexity is O of 1. Okay, so the total time complexity of we have getting here O of m plus n, and the space complexity is O of n. And I hope you understand the logic behind this code and their time complexity and their solution as well as. So thank you everyone, thank you so much.